Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello, 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 welcome back to my bakery. Oh, welcome to my bakery if there's someone new here. So I just survived after the stream, 45 more minutes phone call with my sister. Oh, she was so excited for earlier stream. She had a lot of fun. We should do again in 2 days. So that's going up. Yeah, probably 2 more days. We will do another music stream, and then I ate lunch, and then I rested a little bit. But we are going back to work. Instantly back, cause the bakery MSD will actually does sometimes, but I have so much stuff to do, so we dig directly into all the stuff we have to do. Cause why wait for time when we can get a lot of stuff done? So first of all, we are working on we're working on so many things. Let's put this on. First of all, we are working on a seedance batch. So we want probably to put seedance here for our elite seed. Here we are. We're crafting some stuff with seedance, and so I guess we can push this here. Generated, but we have more room for one. So we are going to ask the Codex. Ask the Codex very good. What is the the 66, 66, done. The next, the next should be 67. That the pump. I mean, I should have to make this, but since I need the Codex plugin, the Google Codex plugin for the stuff, I am manualing this at the that should be able to do it, but that will occupy my Chrome plugin slot, and I want my Chrome plugin do some stuff for, so we can replace this with this the next pump as that into the repository that right not yet I just assets I would generate doesn't 6 and with that 28 66 66 right now 67. What does it say? 67 67. So this one is 67 right, 67. Good, very good. So this can't do yet, so we have to wait for the next. So we have one free slot at the time. Very good, I guess, or very bad, I wish yet. But point is, the things is open, so we can go back to Codex. We still need to fix some things. Done, perfect. Close these things here. Next, check inside the temporary folder. There should be a handoff about a work with FictionLab. Try to see if you find the handoff. Got it, and now what's next? Okay, so we got these things done. There was also one more other things that we need to do was need to fix. Yeah, I need to archive some of the secret. And we have this probably here to the workspace. Yeah, where it is already still, right? Was ready still, and which one was the correct? Probably this one. We have to listen to this. Can you hear the fine sound? Yeah. Let me see. Maybe.
More violins? More power? No, Luna, redo that part. Hi, Stella-sama. Yes, Lady Stella. Luna is running, the beat is rebelling, the cake is on fire, but the song is compelling.
Okay, that should be
She says the chords are cute, but cute is not enough. She says the drop needs thunder, makes the violins rough. She says that bass is lazy.
But this is one of the songs we have to archive. I'm pretty sure that's one we have to archive. So, and this one should go. I really need to start publishing the second album because it has so many songs already. It has so many songs. It has already 27 songs. I think 26 will publish it or something like that. And does these things have the correct prompts? Yes, because it was a mixed. This one was a mixed prompt that they certainly. Yes. Right. And the lyrics were good, right? Yes. So okay, good. Archive this as lady still. They good and did you find the end of this? Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, did you also find, I think there was a link for somewhere to that I pasted it to the chat, and they said we should do this when we have access to Google Chrome. Do you find the link? Send me the link here so I can verify it's the correct link. And then, okay, so, let's see, there is, if I, yeah, I was talking with, sorry, I forgot to swap, I just swap the image because I was talking about Codex. Okay, that's the link, exact, that's the link, so, just go back here, so, okay. So use the Chrome extension plugin, and since we were building the FictionLab docs reference, um, grab also the info that you find in this link. I mean, I think JavaScript was required because you had to probably open a pop-up window with selecting start scenario, and then you should find information there. But there's some good info there that maybe we can implement with other documentation. Maybe we call this user tips or something like that. So we mixed the user documentation, the official documentation with user tips. But I mean, project there using the Google Chrome plugin, and then update the make a summary of what you find there in this link. Okay, good. Is this song ready? No, this song is still writing. This song here is still writing, but I guess in the meanwhile, yeah, I guess it's how it's writing. Right? Probably, let me see how it is the situation. Runway? Oh, we can get one more video so we can generate this. Very good, I mean it goes into the queue, but I guess it's fine. Then we go back to Codex and find the next video. That one is done too. Next, please. Very good. So we are ready. Whenever this thing is ready, we are. Was the last thing I want is to waste time. Today we go full berserk mode. Was we have so many. It's okay. It's 68. So we go here. The 68 here. This should be fully automated, but I need the extension. Lagging. Oh, wait. Lag. Yeah, because the Chrome extension is rotating another. So I have some. Oh, Jesus. Scroll slowly. You get 68. 68. Good job. Perfect. And then we need the new prompt here. Right. That's the reason. The Google like did stuff. So basically, when the Codex plugin is controlling, it makes Chrome a little bit. I guess I have to be with this. We can check what it's doing. Oh, very good. It's starting to right. Are you starting it? I hope to. Since okay, this is done. Perfect. And okay, this is done. So we need to move the file. Let this thing shoot one. So we need to go this with that to create that the wave file soon. And then there's also one more song. My sister really didn't want to, but I guess it didn't sound. I think it's okay to find that version. I think probably. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's go back. So the file is FictionLab. For this first song, then the song Victorian now Codex. The song's big place, so is not go waking up, but would be download. Yeah, I guess. Okay, I guess. Yes, you can take Nora. Welcome to the stream, Nora. Welcome back to the bakery, Nora. Welcome back to the bakery. How are you? How are you, Nora? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you are doing fine, Nora. I really hope you do. So, it is incredibly hot here in Japan. You just woke up still sleepy. I see. Still sleepy. Okay. Good. Damn it. Don't worry. Everyone gets sleepy when they just woke up, so I guess that's perfectly normal. Nothing to worry about, I guess, for being a little bit sleepy. So, let's go back here to the web, and then we had so it was already in this smash, right? I think I want to listen to this again a little bit. I really don't. I think it should be archiving, but it better list this. Right?
Okay, chat sent the boss picture. We are composing battle music. Serious, cinematic, dangerous. Stella? Oh no, he is so handsome. No. Please smash me. No. Aurelian Belcar in the ruined hole. Gold on his armor, grief in the wall. 200 years with the broken crown, trying to bring Elendra down. Luna says, boss fight, focus please. Stella says, I am on my knees. Chat says, we have to defeat him first. Stella says, let me be worse. Smash me first, then defeat him. Let me simp before the war. If he needs a tragic reason, I can be wife number 4. Smash me first, then defeat him. Kinoshita de yabai desire. Elendra queen, I am sorry, but this boss is on fire. Aurelian.
Okay, this was fire. Absolutely, this was fire. This is good. This is good already. So, Aurelian the Smasher will be the small spin-off of the monster that we made when my sister was here earlier. Aurelian the Smasher, what a song we made. Absolutely, Aurelian the Smasher. Very good. I have no... why not? Why not Aurelian the Smasher? It's such a beautiful song, right? Aurelian the Smasher. Give me the download getaway file. Then should also download. Let it still up probably. That would, I guess, that would be good. Right, so load this. So last step it. Then we go back into Codex. Between very good piano. Think okay, this is very still. This is done. We can close this. Then we have this. Add this, Nora. Add this to you as well. Add this to you as well. Add this to you as well, Nora. Absolutely. And okay, so we're doing this too, and we got this, which is very good, I guess. Alright. Right, I guess. I guess yes, this is very good, and so we're gonna archive this. In the meanwhile, let me set this on. I mean, these two. She probably. I guess she was buying it. Last time she made me send to her 7 file or something like that. It was quite well. Okay, has the archive done here? Not yet. Not yet. Let me see if Runway has done. Not yet. These are 3 generations. Wait, and these things, Jesus. These things can take up there. But there you see that. Vagabond, welcome back welcome to my bakery. This is most obviously a man from India. Oh, very nice. Are you talking of me or you? India? Not really. Are you from India, Vagabond? Are you talking about you? That's your sister. You are going to Bulgarian today. You miss your country but you will come back. Well, nice. Not really from India, Vagabond. Not really from India, Vagabond. So, I mean, what makes you think we are from India just because? Yeah, I mean, elaborate, I mean, and yeah. Consider we are on a nice day today, so I think I can entertain a small chat. So tell me, Vagabond. So he escaped already? Okay, Vagabond probably ran away. He dropped that and ran away. Okay, I guess the sister not is cuddling with the blanket. Oh well, that's nice. That's nice. I sort of envy you there. I mean, adding with your blanket. I mean, that's nice. I guess. That's very nice. I guess. I do not dislike the idea of cuddling with a blanket. I mean, I usually prefer pillows, but I guess blanket it's fine. So, what were we doing? That's this done. That's so okay. Good. So we need the wild. Oh wow. Lag. Very good. Very good. So Vagabond here came and then died. What a pity. Would that be nice to go a little bit more within? I mean, I don't think that would change this mind. That Indian thing, I doubt that poor Vagabond, I guess. Too bad, I guess. Well, I guess we're going to go disappear then. I mean, I gave you a chance to explain yourself, but guys, doesn't matter. I usually insta-ban people like this, but yeah, I was in the mood of a chat, but he refused it. So I guess it's okay. Probably not a big loss either. So what are we doing? So the song is in place, right? So kind I guess yes, it's guys. So we can close this one and tell Codex that the song is so he can check And I guess very good. Archive is that how long do you need to take for? Oh, it's basically reading book stuff. We put them into this is easy because people do this whole thing in cool. I mean, I don't even know if this is cool, but they go in FictionLab and they post these things as image because they think they are cool. But basically, I mean, this is not uh, agent friendly. So basically, the agent has best to destroy this in pictures so it can read. So I guess these things will go on for a while because the agent is trying to understand. So since we have these things here going on with the agent and probably is going to last for a while, we can start with the next thread, which is probably the next for on today. So there are documents inside the repository for a YouTube transcripting damaged system or something like that. I want you to pick the documents, the MD, and make me a summary of what has been done and what needs to be done. Okay, so very good. Next. Hell? Approval. What do you need? Yeah. Yes. Do this. Let's get all the stuff that you from this and okay, this is uh yeah, that's is a Luna YouTuber kind data plan. That's the file with it. Finally you reached the correct file. Very good. I should have rolled it to the repository. Um, very good. Very good. So so you got the backbone. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So we can start work on this, which is probably the most important thing with very good. You mean that's Luna String Intelligence Plans you do that archive plan? Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, what has been done up to the archive approach? Okay, we still need to be done. Yes, no. No, no, and no. So, okay, there is so. So it seems that some of the things you there here are a little bit outdated. So I am going to give you a small heads up on what has been done after that, so you can update the fix. So first of all, there is already an OAuth for Google. We used this recently when we had to edit some stuff. Try to search into the repository that there should be something for Google Auth. So I mean the OAuth is in place already because we used it for another project. So first of all, check this, and if you find the OAuth correct, this otherwise I will try to find where the OAuth is myself. So that So this needs a wall. We need to work and fix a lot. So good. This things is done. Very good. Very good. So there is also I think I need to push your back. Probably. Yes. Hopefully these things doesn't I need to be careful here. FictionLab, there's a lot of very nasty stuff, so I need to. Oh, very good. Very okay. Okay, good. So I need to give you this order. These two. Okay. Maybe yeah, very good. So you can give this to. Uh-huh. Yeah, keep going with this link too, and add the info you find into the doc reference, FictionLab doc reference as community tutorial notes. Kairos Halloween, welcome to my bakery. Welcome to my bakery, Andrew F727. Andrew F727. I really don't like when people start with things that like that. I really don't like them. Because the correct way to ask this would be, are you using a voice changer or something like that? Like that, you are a guy with a voice changer. It carries a lot of negativity, something like that. And I don't really like it. The way you approach the argument there. I really do not like that. This is a man. No way. I'm not a man, Nora. This is another person that joins the parameter list. I'm sorry for Andre, but he should have just posed the question in a different way and maybe would have got the answer he deserved. But I really don't like this. So Chiron Elim, is that an LLM? So are you talking with the Codex or are you talking with FictionLab? Because both of them. Codex, I'm pretty sure. Maybe you know what Codex is, or maybe you don't know what FictionLab is either. So what was your question about? Was about the Codex or FictionLab. So, because I can answer, because both. Yes, the answer is both. They're both LLM, but Codex is more complex. Is an agent. Codex is an agent, and there's a lot of things is linked to an LLM. In this case, it's ChatGPT, but FictionLab is a web service built about an LLM and is made for building stories. So it's like Character AI. I don't know if you ever played with Character AI or something like that. So basically, you have your chatbots or something like that, and yes, so they're actually, they both are powered by LLM, you know what I mean? They're both powered by LLM, so, but yeah, it is a little bit different, I guess, because one is a wall agent, so it has architecture, another architecture, and the other one is just a web service, but yes, to answer your question, Kairos, Elegin, they're both LLM, yes, and with Codex, I'm doing several things today. Parallel because I'm trying to keep different tabs open, and one of the things I'm doing is exactly this, building not really yet, but probably a free version of my chatbot. I plan to do one day better, but at the moment I want to store in FictionLab because I use FictionLab a lot. It is actually my favorite. Yeah, you can't even imagine how much time I spent this. Seriously, before I started doing stuff with LLM myself, and playing with, the programming side of other things, I spent so much time with FictionLab. There's a lot of beautiful story and other things. So actually, I want to make my own story with Luna. and share it. I thought so. I mean, I'm now basically feeding Codex some info, some info about how to build with FictionLab. So I mean, then we can do with some other stuff together. And yeah, by the way, yes. Because I really like FictionLab. It's probably my favorite. I mean, it's probably my favorite AI tool. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I do a lot of stuff with. I mean, the runaway sedans. I mean, Suno AI. I mean, I use Codex. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I use a lot of AI. I use an absolutely lot of AI, but FictionLab, I mean, is probably my favorite because I had so much fun with the stories that other users are made that is very fun. I mean, it is a toy. Don't get me wrong. It's not a powerhouse. I mean, it's just a toy. It's absolutely a toy. Actually, probably most of the use is a fucking toy because most of the people put FictionLab and you to smash their characters and whatever. But yeah, I mean, I've been using this for a lot. I really enjoy this. I really enjoy more than character AI. The reason is that you can deploy your chat to unified via Docker if you do multi-streaming, I think. Oh, very good. I mean, yes. So, okay, this is very interesting. So this is very interesting. So I am looking into making my own chatbot and just one moment. Let me give you this link to this text. So okay. So I'm looking a lot into making my own chatbot and such. But the reason I really love FictionLab because it is really, I mean, it is a little bit more than a chatbot. I mean, it has very complex instructions. It takes scenarios, it has custom instruction, it teaches multiple characters, it's very evolved. So, I mean, you want a pet lamb? No, I don't have any lamb, Laura, I'm sorry, I don't have any lamb. So, I mean, I mean, I still want to do mine. So probably I should check Docker. I mean, actually, I mean, maybe we should check Docker online now, because I mean, I've never heard of it, so I think we have good things to do. Docker. Let me see. Docker. How is this Docker? Unified chat, whatever. Let's see this. So Docker. Let's see. Docker modern AI chat. Okay. Oh, very good. Okay. Unified Divider leveraging Docker model runner. Okay, a specific self-hosted platform to create a single interface for managing AI conversation and various messaging servers. Lambs are so cute. Yes, Nora. Lambs are very cute. Lambs are very cute, Nora. I have no doubt about it. And I mean, if you want, we can make a song with the lambs later. Oh, interesting. I think I need to look into this. Very good. And I guess it can also work on your custom website, right? It can also work on your custom website. I need to study this a little bit. Because I mean, the advantage of FictionLab, I mean, is that you don't even need a platform. You know, I mean, their engine is very good. I mean, you put your scenario there with all your against with all other scenarios made by other people, and I mean, their engine is very good. They have a lot of models. I mean, from free to play models. I mean, you can choose between 8 different models. I mean, I think one of the pro model is based on DeepSeek. DeepSeek version 4, I mean, is very well done. I mean, and it has, I mean, really deep and detailed instruction and a lot of other things. But the disadvantage is that you are on someone else's platform. But I mean, which at the same time is an advantage because I mean, let's say, I mean, I'm a small vtuber, you know, and how many fans? I mean, maybe I can just bring my fan to my website, you know, but no one else will ever see my chat. But you know, if I do this on my personal website, so I think I still want to do both because one chatbot into a platform like FictionLab that has a lot of big user base. I mean, it also helps a little bit with discoverability, and then you have your own chatbot, you know what I mean, in your private website. That is yours. And so I still think I want to do both, but I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that, and I think I should really copy a little bit of this and save it as a note. So I mean, again, I can eventually go back to that later. That was a very really useful information. I appreciate that. Kairos Elohim. So Kairos, I mean, you seem very fond about all these things. So tell me one thing. I mean, do you work with? Have you made your own chatbot too? I mean, cause that seems quite. I mean, a really dedicated answer, not someone that any person can be. So, so I'm really curious if you have experience with other stuff like that. So this next that very good. So we got this also done. Okay, so very good. Oh, okay, very good. So these things also has been updated. Very good. Oh, by the way, I forgot about one. Right, let's do this for a that. So, I recently made a skill about YouTube titles, thumbnail, and description, but I've noticed that I forgot to tell the skill to when we make the titles to add hashtags, because titles should usually also include 3 hashtags, and one hashtag has to be absolutely hashtag vtuber, and probably if we do live stream, another hashtag should probably be hashtag live stream or but anyway, it should suggest hashtag 2. So try to edit the skill, okay? So it includes hashtag. And tell me and remember to update both the normal skill and the repository skill. Okay, Miwo, welcome back to the bakery, Miwo, welcome back to the beer, Miwo. Okay, so Nora, you didn't have breakfast, you're really hungry, mommy and dad sleeping, oh well, I guess you have to do the breakfast alone then. You know, sometimes the best thing is to do it things by yourself. So you do and make the breakfast, and maybe you surprise your parents and you make the breakfast for them. That would be a nice surprise for your parents, I guess. Miwo, welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back to the bakery. Okay, very good. So, okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, you're not old enough. You're not old enough to do breakfast yourself. You can turn on the stove. Okay, well. I mean, at 13. I mean, Laura, 13. Oh, regarding the Docker docs, Kairos, okay, it's really important, or you can just use an CLI like ChatGPT CLI, Flow CLI, or Anti-Gravity CLI. They're really useful for codings because they can directly diagnose. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Okay, interesting. So I mean, it's nice. So you're also what is exactly that you do, Kairos? I mean, are you mostly into coding? I mean, what's your niche here? I mean, because you seem very fond about this argument. I mean, and so I'm curious to see what are you really into? Because it seems like, I mean, yeah, that's quite a technical comment. So probably yeah, you probably are into coding. Yeah, you're quite experienced in coding and deploying Docker containers with reverse proxies. And you like build things like that, but building chats is really hard. Okay, very interesting. So thank you very much for informing that is very hard. So maybe my sixth sense to start with a system that I know it works, like FictionLab. Okay, you can use knife, but it's dangerous, so there's nothing to cut. So Mr. Sister Nora got to wait for the parents to wake up. Well, I guess you got to wait then, Nora, you're right. I mean, you got to wait then. I mean, you can watch the streaming. So Carlos, back to you. Okay, interesting. So you actually code and deploying Docker containers. Interesting. Well, I tell you a little bit more about me, so you have a better clue of what I do. So basically, I mean, I have it's everything started because you are an employed programmer. Well, I mean, I am a vtuber. I mean, and my job is streaming, but I earn so little that I mean, it's almost ridiculous. But yeah, I mean, I guess we are more or less in the same boat. I mean, I have a job, but there is basically almost nothing. But anyway, so let me tell you what I do, so you have a better clue. So I mean, it all started because I have these characters that I really love, and actually I think I should probably bring it. I should show this. I mean, I think I still have it in a very old, very old.
Welcome to my bakery.
No, sorry. We did a super mess here, sorry. I think I have it. Where it is? Oh, here it is, this one. So I have to copy this. And probably bring it this year. Right, very good. So, okay, let me tell you. So it all started with this when I was 10. So when I was 10, I mean, I have a twin sister. And we used to make I mean, well, our original characters to play, and that was my original character. No, I made this horrible drawing when I was 10. Okay, so I mean, bear with me here, but yeah. And oh Nora, so your older sister can't cook either. Well, Nora, don't worry. Eventually, your parents will wake up and feed you. Okay, so Kairos, so but basically started with this when I was 10, and I mean this has always been my original character, you know. And I mean then one day, I mean 2 years ago, something like that. I mean more or less 2 years ago. I mean I started a YouTube channel. At that time, I mean it was just a small talking head, you know, something very stupid, and then I stopped it, and then I picked it back. But the point is, I mean, I really want to bring Luna to life, which is my original character, and also your parents on their 100 dream forgot to feed the thing about this area. You don't worry, they will wake up, Nora. Don't you worry. So anyway, so I started with these things. I mean, and then at the beginning, I was mostly doing games. And cause I mean, I like gaming a lot, and I was doing games with my original characters and yada yada. And then I mean, it all started by accident because I mean, I was playing this game that had a lot of cute girls, let's say cute girls, and my viewers, I mean, they started joking on the fact that they wanted to see my cake, and so I started using AI to make cosplays for the characters of the game, you know, and because the games had characters, and it really started with me doing them cosplays of these characters. I mean, this is me that does one of the characters of that game. I mean, you know, something stupid like that. And then I started studying AI more because I really realized, well, with AI I can bring my characters more to life. You know what I mean? And then I started studying them more and more, as a tool, because I really want to bring my characters to life. I mean, I mean, if you are like me, I mean, I can do some music. I mean, I used to do music with my sister using DAW, and because my sister plays the piano, she wants to become a composer. She studied for that. So basically, I mean, she made the composition the piano, and I studied DAW like Cubase and this other stuff, make music. and used to make our music. But I don't know how to draw. I don't know. A little bit. I suck. I know how to make video, but cause Dad is a designer, he told me something. But I'm not really skilled at that all this thing. And and uh, then I started to use AI because it makes my life incredibly easier. And I guess there are two ways. If you are like me, that you really did a good job creating the VTuber avatar and you consider to study programming. No, wait. No, the VTuber avatar actually was commissioned. Because I couldn't do this. I'm making all the other stuff, so all the other graphics, the videos, and a lot of other things after that. But I also want to relate the VTuber avatar myself. This was because I really wish I had the skill to make this by myself. But I'm studying to make this. Because I think the next one I want to make the next one by myself. But yeah, this one was in part part 3, not really, but partly commissioned. So and yeah, so what I was about to say, yes, so yeah, I started doing more and more stuff with that. So like, all this background that you see, and then I started using the Codex to do more stuff, working on my chatbot. I'm making right now, also videos, oh, this is done, for instance, this has done very good, like this, and this is stuff, I'm trying to make to increase my, yeah, to do more, more stuff, and all with the AI, because I want to do, I want to bring Luna to life, basically. So, but yeah, I'm still very, very, I guess, young and unexperienced. I guess so. So that should make it. Yes, probably young and unexperienced, I guess. So, and I really appreciate when someone, like you, that has a lot of knowledge, comes to seeing things and advices. So, cause I really appreciate that. Let me do one thing, okay? Done. Next, let's prepare the next details. So the next is I just think I have to do the next prompt here. So when it is ready, I get the stuff. Just 6 sword. Here it is. 69. Very good. Perfect. You have to wait for the so I can push the next one. In the meanwhile, I think we also got this. This was done very good. So this, like, then I guess we're almost there. Just to this and one. So we got this next, and then one more. Oh, and this also done. Okay, let's do a test. Give me a title for a live stream in which I have to go about AI. Okay, let's see if the skills works now. And okay, Mario, welcome back to the bakery, Mario. Always a pleasure to see you here. Welcome back to the bakery. Always a pleasure to see you here. We had my sister earlier this morning. We made some song with her. We made some song. Okay. Oh, okay. So you see, you didn't really understand what I mean. It has to be 3 hashtag. So when I told you what there shouldn't assess. Oh, so okay, never mind. So it has AI. Very good. It has 3 hashtag. Very good. So, keep going, but you really want to make your shut up connect logody to I recommend you to study like Go Python, TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay, so you think okay, one moment Kairos, I'll back to you immediately. Yeah, Nora, don't worry, I know that you sleep. And yeah, Miami, if you want you can check, I mean there's some stuff in there. But we will stream again, me and my sister too, the day after tomorrow. So, okay, the Kairos. So, I mean, so you think that I can delegate the whole programming to AI? I mean, cause I was hoping I could have delegated all the boring stuff to the AI. So you tell me that I should really go study Python or TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay, that will be a little bit daunting, but I will try to do my best and look into this. Okay. It looks like it worked. Good. So we can archive this. We can archive this because this is done. This is done because we have the hashtag. And it looks like this things work. So this can close these things next. Then we can go back on this video. So okay, so we found the what thing. Then Lego can be clongsed, but I just know that I can pull it off. Yeah. I will eventually pull it off. I mean, I have no doubt that I will pull it off. I mean, I will start with FictionLab first. Because FictionLab actually is almost completed. I mean, I was toying with it earlier. I mean, with version 0.2 earlier. And I mean, it's very, very nice. I mean, it talks a little bit, it talks like me. Psychon, welcome to the bakery, Psychon, welcome. Mom, can you invite a lot of the students to your house? We lock the room, crawl under the bed, post the guns and we will gossip. Yeah, you should try to ask that to Mom, Laura. Probably she will say yes. And Psychon, welcome. So, but anyway, so I was telling you, I mean, I tried a little bit the version. I mean, because at the moment I have a prototype for FictionLab. Oh, actually, it finished this, so we can go back and get the final one in chat. So I have this thing. You see, it's Luna 0.2. Just one moment. Let me open this separately because if I open FictionLab just casually, I mean, there could be some really nasty things that probably I really don't really want to show on YouTube, maybe. Because FictionLab can be really nasty. So we have the version 0.2. It is not released yet, but it was working very nicely. It's working very nicely, and it talks a bit. It talks like me. It does stuff like me. But I want to expand it a little bit. Cause at the moment only what I've narrowed down is my personality. So at the moment this looks really like character AI with me inside it. But I want to add more context. I mean, so it does more stuff. Just be like, you know what I mean? Cause I mean, so I guess this is what we are going to do, and then we release version 1.0. You studied a lot with Alara. Very good. That was fast, Nora. I mean, that was quite fast for a session study. That was quite fast. So, yes, next. That was quite fast, I guess. But I guess it's okay, right? Okay, so what's the situation here with? Oh, okay. No, there was situation there. This is still in queue, so I guess, yeah, that. You pretended to study but gossip bad. Very good, Nora, very good, Nora. I think you really need breakfast. You probably really need breakfast, Nora. Because you're probably starving. Anyway, so, what I was about to say, yes, cause so yeah, oh yeah, FictionLab. So yeah, it is almost ready. I mean, my personality is there. it talks like me. I mean, it talks like me, it does stupid things like me. I mean, it talks in bakery language. I mean, it's very, very... your parents managed to wake up. Very good, Nora, very good, Nora. Very good, Nora. Good job. Breakfast is coming then. So, and it talks like me, but... yeah, I guess I can do better. I mean, I can add maybe some story or background, because I mean, it just talks like me, but I haven't added anything to the scenario itself. I mean, one of the good things of FictionLab is that you can add a scenario, and so I mean, I was thinking maybe adding also my sister, you know what I mean, and maybe some other stuff, so that start the scenario. I mean, there's a lot going on. Maybe I also was thinking I should add a talking cake. And maybe ChatGPT also should say stuff and be very annoying. I mean, so that it's very, very lively. You know what I mean? So when you enter into the scenario, I mean, you have several options, but yeah, that would be fun. That would be fun. Cause that's the good thing of FictionLab, that you can add multiple characters, and I mean, I think that should be this covered thing. So okay, very good. So let me work on this a little bit. So, okay. So good. You found the what path, and that's good. But the point is, you see, when we started with this YouTube.archive plan, I mean, I think the first prototype, which is the one which is utilizes the 12 times click that you have already in the repository. I mean, I think it was a little bit I don't want to say too complex, but it required to log into a different LLM, and I mean, I think we should reorganize the structures and trying to do it a little bit different. So I mean, but to do this, I mean, we probably should go back into plan mode so we can understand exactly what these things has to do. But since this chat I think has enough context token already, I want to write an handoff to update the handoff, and with the stuff we did right now. I think we only updated the what data, right? But I mean, so next time, I mean, the handoff knows that we probably should start doing a planning section to redefine the scope of the project, and so I can start fresh up. Okay, so that's one thing, and so the seventh video is done next. So we can shoot the next. So let's see what has done. Probably this one is ready, right? Well, let's see this video how it works. Pretty sure it's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, we can use this. Is absolutely usable. I mean, we keep going with the next generation, and Codex. We go back to Codex and done. Next is I'm using ChatGPT Plus. Yes, actually it's ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT Pro actually. I mean, Pro, you can only access Pro from the website, not from the Codex. But yes, it's ChatGPT 5.5. 5.5, and I mean, I tried Gemini, but not the paid version. I mean, I know they just released the Google Omni and all the things. I mean, it has a name I don't remember. I mean, they just released recently the whole suite. Good breakfast, Nora. Good breakfast to you. So, but the point is that, I mean, they don't have an agent. I mean, Gemini, they don't have a desktop agent like Codex. So, I mean, I guess the only two options, I mean, if you want a desktop agent is, I mean, that probably is ChatGPT with Codex or Cloud Code with Coworker. And And I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, the code is amazing, but the reason I use ChatGPT mostly is because ChatGPT comes with ChatGPT Image 2, version 2, and I do a lot of images generation. So for instance, the thumbnail I made for my YouTube videos and such, I mean, they're made directly with ChatGPT. I mean, I do still use, other image generation tools, and I could make images in other tools. Don't get me wrong, I mean, I have plenty of way to make images, but I mean, I want to use the credits for making videos rather than wasting them in images. So I mean, and the fact that ChatGPT Image 2 is very, very good, I mean, that's a no-brainer for me. I mean, it's really good. I mean, it's really good. I mean, I want to show you some of the stuff that ChatGPT 2 can do. I mean, and if you can get these things for free, I mean, what you basically want, you know what I mean? I mean, you basically want, because you don't have to spend a single money with that. So, well, first of all these plugins, all this background that you see here, I mean, in my stream, they're all made with ChatGPT, you know? But I mean, if that wasn't enough, I mean, look at what it can do. I mean, it can do some really good things. But if you go cheapy, I mean, like this, I mean, I'm just picking some random cheapy stuff so you understand the level of quality that these things can have. I mean, but cheapy, I mean, if you want to do cheapy stuff, and I mean, if you want to go normal too, I mean, it can do some incredible stuff as well, even for normal. Some really, really good things. I mean, insanely good. I mean, really, 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 really good things. I mean, let me pick something. I mean, look at this, for instance. Yeah, Gemini is good. Gemini uses something called Nano Banana. And I mean, don't get me wrong, Nano Banana is good. Nano Banana is very good, but I mean, Nano Banana has a different style. Let me pick up pictures made with Nano Banana so you see the difference. I mean, so you see, this is ChatGPT 2. I mean, this is ChatGPT 2. Let me see. Let me find something else made with ChatGPT 2. I mean, just some random images. I don't really need to dive deep into. Oh, look at this, for instance. I mean, this is beautiful, and that's also ChatGPT 2. Or for instance, I mean, you know, I mean, it can make some insane stuff. Look at this too, for instance, too. But Nano Banana has a different touch. Let me show you Nano Banana instead. Nano Banana, I mean, is very good, even if you use the Pro. Let me find the correct folder where I have images made with Nano, and here, here probably, yes. And images, some here. Not here, into here. I probably have something to the bakery. Yes, there's some stuff here. Oh, very good. Very good. Or right, like here. I mean, oh, okay, that should show. That should be more than enough. So, okay, this is for instance, this is Nano Banana. I mean, this is Nano Banana. So, that's actually quite a decent image with Nano Banana. But you see the difference in the style? I mean, maybe I should compare them one by one. Because I was trying to remake the same picture with ChatGPT. See you later, Nora. See you later. Let me try to see if I can put them side by side somehow, so you see the difference. I think I need another image here. Let me pull. Okay. The same this, and then let me pull. Let me find the same image here, because I know I have it somewhere. Probably is here into the Codex things. Into the repository assets. private tool generated. And it's May for sure. It's May what, 26? Oh yes, it's May 26. So, okay, good. So, that's probably very similar. That's very similar. Yeah, that's similar. That's similar. I mean, it's not the same, but it's basically almost the same prompt. So, I mean, I want you to check these two side by side. I mean, and notice if you can see the difference between Nano Banana and and ChatGPT. So, I mean, they are, don't get me wrong, they're both good, but I really like more the way ChatGPT makes the gradients. Yeah, the quality, you see the quality. I mean, the gradients, the quality, I mean, you can look a lot of things. I mean, it's not bad, Nano Banana. I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, you see, this is very, I mean, I don't know how to call this, but yeah, I mean, it's, to me, it's day and night. I mean, it's really day and night. I mean, the difference. And it's really day and night. And ChatGPT do make it better. I mean, 100%. So, and so yeah, I mean, so the reason is I want a desktop agent. I want a desktop agent cause I use it also to make automations and other stuff. And so I want a desktop agent. And at the moment, the two desktop agents are Claude and Codex. And Claude is amazing. I mean, I'm not shitting on Claude, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't have an image generator. So I should record to an external image generator, and I mean, in most of the case, I will still use ChatGPT. So was ChatGPT 2, I mean, makes the image I like most. So why not take ChatGPT directly as coding agent? Because I mean, why not? I mean, because I can make images directly here, and it's insane. I mean, maybe, yeah, you know what I mean? It's just the quality. I mean, it's insane. I mean, maybe Nano Banana 3 or whatever, it would be better. And in that case, maybe, I will switch to Gemini. You know what I mean? If Nano Banana 3 would be better, I will switch to Gemini. I mean, it's not that, I mean, I'm not sold on a tool. You know what I mean? At the moment, I'm using ChatGPT because I do a lot of images. I can do them for free. And this is also the best quality I can get. But I mean, next month or in 3 months from now, guess what? Maybe Nano Banana will be better, and then maybe Gemini will have a Codex text desktop up, boom, and they change. I mean, I don't really care much. I mean, and the same reason is for video generation. No, I was using Vido. Before Seedance 2.0 came out because Vido was doing some very good stuff. And it has problems, but I think I mean, honestly, for certain things, Vido is still very, very good. I mean, cause it has a different touch than Seedance, and it's also very, very good Vido. It's almost unknown. Not many people use Vido, but for anime, it's very good. So so I think, because the point is each individual engine, it has its own touch. So this is something that I mean, my father will say it smells made with. Because I remember my father, I mean, because I told you my father is a designer, and when he was teaching me, I mean, a little bit of softwares, I mean, that was making my first art. I mean, I remember one day I was using Illustrator, and then he told me that this thing smells a lot like Illustrator. And because he was trying to say that, I mean, what I was doing, I mean, really felt like something made in Illustrator, because each tool has a particular signature, and sometimes your job is to hide that signature, so it becomes a little bit, it doesn't smell much made with a certain tool, you know what I mean? But the point is, at the moment, I mean, each tool smells a lot of their particular particular things. And so I mean, yeah, and then they are different. They don't do the things the same. I mean, they have that difference. And if you want that particular smell, you know what I mean, of that particular touch, you need that particular tool. So yeah, you haven't heard the video is Chinese? I mean, honestly, I don't even know. Is video is Chinese or not? I mean, honestly, I don't know. It's very good. Let me show you to you. I mean, I wanted to show you some stuff done with video, so you have a clue of what video can do. Let me log. I mean, it's incredibly powerful. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's very powerful. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. I mean, it's very good. I mean, that's video. I mean, and it can make a lot of good stuff like this. I mean, so basically what video does, which I really love, is that it makes stuff really look like live 2D animations. So Seedance, I've noticed it tends to recreate in 3D the environment. It does it very well, but it smells a little bit 3D. While video instead smells a lot like live 2D. So for instance, I mean, I was trying to, so I mean, it does 3D stuff if you give it a 3D prompt, but I mean, in general, the general touch is really a lot like 2D. A little bit like, I mean, let me put something that, oh, you see, like this. Which I use with, I mean, even if it's 3D, it still smells a lot like if it is a live 2D image, you know what I mean, with parallax. Rather than a real 3D environment, which is very good for certain things. I mean, it has its very good touch, I mean, video. If you know how, if you want certain things, cause it really has that 2D vibes, I mean. I don't know how to say this. It really smells a little bit 2D. More than, and it's nice. It's nice. I really like it a lot. I really like it a lot. So I mean, I guess it's still a mix between Seedance 2 and Vido, and I guess for video generation for me for what I want to do. So yeah. Yeah, and images ChatGPT at the moment, I guess, at the moment. Because I've tried Nano Banana, but probably not for me. But I want to free some memory. And I think, oh, well, maybe we should give him, do one thing, yeah. Edit all the files and end off, so I can continue this into a different chat. Okay, good. Okay, very good. The tool has stream intelligence for planning handoff. Okay, I guess, the handoff is in the temporary folder, right? Let me check. This is in TMP. Perfect. So we can close this YouTube stream. Intelligence for planning. So we move chat because we need more context with, and TMP slash YouTube stream intelligence. The load is handoff. Not yet ready. Okay, perfect. We give this, and to the FictionLab. Good. And is this ready? Not yet. This is still rendering. So okay, we can go back here. Okay, so I need something to drink. I'll go grab something to drink. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back in just 2 minutes. I need something to drink. Okay, I'll be back really fast. Sorry for the wait. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit longer because my soda stream is over, so I think I will just take my portable headphones and talk while I fill back my soda stream. So, by the way, because it's incredibly hot. It's 30 degrees today in Tokyo, and I mean, even if I have, yeah, air conditioner here, I mean, it's so hot. Very, very hot, and you really want to stay hydrated because, I mean, otherwise, I mean, you're going to, yeah, it's not going to do good to your health condition or this hot temperature here, so very, very, very hot, so very hot. So, so, okay, we're back and we got a drink too, which is the most important thing. So, okay, the handoff is ready. Perfect. Loaded and ready. Okay. Now more than what should we plan, what should we do next? I mean, I need to tell you what I want to do next. So, we did, as you probably have read from the documents, I mean, we did this test file, this test version with 12 streams. And I mean, I guess the foundation was good and the intent were good, but I mean, it was really maybe too much stressing, I mean, on the system, because we had to install a separate local LLM and with the local server, and then split the analysis of the stream into small batches. I mean, it was over analyzing everything, because I think we went too much granular. So I want to take a step back. You know what I mean? So, as again, the goals are still to, we need a longitudinal transcript analysis, because analyzing the transcript across across a span of times can help us analyze which impersonalities and trends happening during the live streams. So this is something that we need to do. But at the same time, one thing should be that we should be able to analyze one transcript of a live stream, usually 2-3 hours long. Try to get out of the transcript what were the 5 topics that were discussed about that live stream, or 5 interesting moments or whatever. And then, we should be able to use the timestamps or whatever to automatically cut the videos of that particular of the transcript is referring to, so it can be editable into a smaller condensed version. So let's make an example. So let's say I make 3-hour stream, and then inside this 3-hour stream I talk of 5 things, and one of these things is coding with Codex, you know what I mean? And then maybe the point is that if when I check what is inside that live stream and then I decide to be cool, talking with Codex is really interesting. What I want to do, I want to be able to select that thing, and then automatically, it should, we should create a system to cut the video, maybe multiple cuts or whatever, into a shorter version. Okay, so it's an automatic editing machine. So I don't want to blame all the details of the automatic editing machine right now. I'm just telling you this in a more broader sense, that this transcript analysis machine should work for 2 functions. Okay, one function is longitudinal, broader analysis of multiple transcripts to determine switching trends, personality, how Luna talks, and something like that. And then individual transcript to extract useful information for a video. Okay, it could be interesting if they can also merge chat data. Cause could be useful for other type of analysis, but this is broad, is more or less the purpose. So I'm just giving you this information so you can really break the whole discussion into something more useful. Okay, so basically, I'm into a planning session with ChatGPT, with Chappy. We call him Chappy here in Japan. I don't know if you know that, but it's called a Chappy. People call him Chappy, so I guess it's Chappy. So I'm in a planning section with Chappy because I want to plan a transcript system. This is actually version 2, because maybe the first version, but was a little bit too complex. So okay, let me see. Okay, yes, it really plays the whole thing in a much healthier direction. What I'm hearing is this is not primary find every semantic mode in a 5-video Windows machine is a transcript intelligent and editing support system with 2 jobs. Single stream analysis, very good. And longitudinal analysis, perfect. The author was to grant a stated area overlap Windows a candidate. Okay, more full stream transcript, course chat, the topic notes, less interesting section, refine timestamps, optional video cutting. Yes, so the model should reason at the stream story topic level first, very good, and only go granular after something has been selected, exacted. Sure, version 2 start with the single stream analysis and editing map first, and then treat longitudinal analysis the second layer bit on top of this first summary. No, actually no, because I think it's easier to do a longitudinal analysis rather than build a fully editable machine. Unless you are just saying that we work on the semantic edit of stream story topic, without going deep into building the full editing machine. Because, I remember dropping 10 transcripts into ChatGPT and asking them to do some analysis, and that was really fast. So, since I've done that in the past and was a really easy job, maybe that seems to me an easier task than do a granular analysis of a single transcript and later made that video. So, I really don't understand why you were trying to suggest a single stream analysis editing, because I think it could be of course, was you're saying maybe that I mean, one stream is less data, less context windows, it can be done easily. I mean, I don't know. Try to explain me. Try to sell me on better on why we should do a smaller section first. Okay, let's see. So, okay, your recommendation was not build the editing machine first. That would be a real but I was trying to sell, but it is this a single stream analysis artifact, not the same kind of automatic editing engine. So the writing version would be okay. Okay. That's useful for editing later, but does not cut the video yet. The reason I suggested this because longitudinal analysis gets much better if each stream has a compressed index card. Okay. Okay, well, but at the same time, you just told me that analyzing a single transcript first, this could give better results for a longitudinal analysis. But, I mean, I guess it depends in which kind we want to do the longitudinal analysis here, because, I mean, I guess the singular stream analysis is more of a topic analysis. You know, we find interesting part inside of a stream and we eventually edit them later, while the longitudinal analysis is more how do Luna talks across the stream, and there are difference in her behavior compared to what is Luna personality as a whole. You know what I mean? It's more on a full stream thing, you know what I mean? And also, I mean, when I do this test with ChatGPT, I mean, I don't even know if I got good results. I mean, because, you can throw whatever you want into ChatGPT and it will give out results, but these to have a good results are two different things, you know what I mean? So I want you to think a little bit more and try to dive deep into the thing and think what you think is actually the best way to do this. Okay, let's see. So, string topic analysis and logical examine should not use the same intermediate artifact. Okay, that was it and flow by the enemy friend. Per string with topic act and in discard the editing, but maybe weak or even misleading for personality drift. It alone was is all Luna tools be perform reactions modes. Let's chat and diverge from the. Okay, we need a different kind of per stream analysis. Exactly. Exactly. So, two analysis lenses over the same transcript of guide. Exactly. For the first meet you, should the canonical per stream artifact be the emerald person amplifier that attempted? Yes. Okay, good. I guess that's good, very good, and yeah, cause I really want to get this machine going. Okay. Exactly. Should the launcher synergy stream against the existing Luna docs as the baseline canon or the first infernaalized personality from the transcript? Not compared to the Windows yeah, it has to do both, you know what I mean? The point is it has to do both. I mean, it should analyze the transcript independently, see what emerges from the transcript, then compare it to the doc. You know what you mean? So it shouldn't search inside the transcript if Lula is similar to the dogs or not. I mean, it should analyze the transcript and then we should then compare if she's actually similar to the dogs or how much she's drifting, you know what I mean? So I guess that could lead to better results so that the first analysis of the streams of the transcript is not biased by the existing documentation. Or am I missing something here? Okay, so the better method is a two-pass analysis, blind transcript profile and canon comparison. Okay, perfect. For the blind assurance, the entire transcript has one stream level performance. Broad cases first. Yes, we can do broad phases first, but point is, how do we want to do it in the cut phase? Because, I mean, for instance, let's say it is from minute 0 to minute 30, you know what I mean? And then we cut it there, no? And then it's from minute 30 to 1 hour, no? I mean, and then maybe there is a mood switching between, you know what I mean? Maybe minute 15 to minute 45. I mean, and then all the things was cut into different parts. So, I mean, how do we want to do this? Are we going to do them overlap? I mean, I understand what you want to do, but I mean, I still don't understand how that could be beneficial rather than having a full. Well, I mean, I understand the risk into do a full run that it can summarize too much, but I mean, let me know how you think to make that work if we do it with split things. Redzermo, welcome back to the bakery, Redzermo. It's always a pleasure to see you here, Redzermo. Welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back to the bakery. Okay, so we're going to do full stream scheme map. Okay. Oh, actual topic. Okay. Well, I mean, at the same time, I'm seeing that if we build this, I mean, we're also building the premises for the topic analysis. Because, I mean, the way you're describing this, we are basically trying to build the two things together and then utilizes them differently. Because, I mean, if I mean, you know what I mean? Because the way you are describing this also could work when we need to do the per stream analysis for letter editing. Okay, it's probably we need to. I really need to, yeah. This is okay. Exactly, that's the sweet spot. Okay, very good, that's the sweet spot. Transcript archive, natural stream map, behavioral profile, longitudinal report, editorial topic clip level, quest, okay. Natural stream map should be on the first artifact we defined. Yes, I think it should. And now the question is, I think that now that we have decided that the natural stream map should be the first thing we want to design, I think that should end this brainstorming because we already decided how the new system should be. You know what I mean? Because we will probably rewrite the documents up to now and the handoff and everything, you know what I mean? So that it explains that we are drifting to create a version 2 and this is the new roadmap and then we can have a separated a planning section in a new chat just for the natural stream and then we can maybe convert that into an actual workflow. Or maybe step to build it completely. So, I mean, let me know what you think, or if you think that we still need to plan broadly. Because if there's some important things that needs a question for a broad analysis, maybe we should do it now. The broad planning as visual clean stopping point. We have the new to spine. Okay, we also corrected the philosophy. Okay. Yes, that should be deprecated and historical, so it doesn't bias or you know, yeah, it doesn't contaminate the following discussion. So I mean, I will really move. You know what I will do? I will move all the documents of that deprecated historical things. Now that you edit the MD with the YouTube planning and the handoff, I will move all the things of the deprecated system into separate MD files, and then just leave a small note inside the repository that we build this system, and if needed, we can find the notes there. So next time that the agent loads the MD file, it doesn't have his information bloated with all these old things that we don't need anymore. Very good. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. So perfect. This is frightening. Oh, my. So we basically finally built the foundation for the on how to build the transcript, which I really wanted to build. I really wanted to build that machine. Absolutely. So very good. Uh-huh. Maybe we should bring this into a different document. Okay, nice. But Very good. Very good. We are basically done with this. Yeah, we have to keep working on this a lot. But we have a planning section, so I think should update. Wait. Okay. Oh, the deleted cement. Right. Okay, so we actually made a separate file. Very good. Okay, so we move it into the overlay. So there is that. Oh, okay. So it really made a different. Okay. It made a separate file there, and we also compacted these things there. Very good. Okay, stream up. Very. Okay. Okay. I guess we could do this right. I guess so. Right, the document seems. Okay. Very good. Very good. Wow. That's a lot. But I guess they get scammed. But that we can fight. I think so. Okay, so there is an end of that won't be used the discussion. I don't know. I feel tired. Just having had this planning session was a little tiresome. Was a little bit tiresome. I want to chat a little bit or just chill. Was every time I do a planning section, I mean I can't do another one after that. It's very taxing. I mean I don't. It's very. It really takes a lot of energy to do this planning section because you have to think about what you want to do, how you want to build. And if you screw up the planning section, then the prototype you build sucks because it's oriented towards the wrong goal. And the AI really punishes you for that because AI is very good at following orders, but if you give the AI the wrong orders, goes in the wrong direction, so really need to feed the AI the good context. You know what I mean? You really need the AI. So yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. But we did some progress. We reoriented the whole project planning, the transcript. Not so much. What's yeah that is exactly what means to improve the system. Exactly. So I mean I did some decent progress today. I mean I did music with my sister. We made 2 songs. I mean I'm also fed a lot of instruction into the FictionLab document. I edited my thumbnail title and description skill. So whenever I want to make titles, thumbnail and such, I mean, my life is easier now. And also, and there is this big project, I mean, that I want to do, which is a stream analysis system. So basically, I want these things to do two things. So you know, sometimes you see a lot of VTubers that they put the extracts of their live streams. You know, maybe they streams for 3 hours, and then they put a small, you know what you need, a small video, and not necessarily a short, maybe it's 10 minutes video, you know what I mean, about a topic, you know what you mean, about a topic, and then they publish it as separate video. So I want to do something like that. So I want to check, I want to automate this a little bit so that it reads, yeah, exactly, a condensed version of the stream, exactly. So what I want you to make is that I want to make a system that, I mean, it analyzes the stream for me, and it gives me already an edited timeline. I mean, it's not a completely finished video, you know what I mean, but it has already, I mean, you know, the blocks, the interesting blocks, and then I need to do some small edits, you know what I mean, because one thing is you have to go through a 3 hours of video, you know what I mean, you go through 3 hours of video, and then also, I mean, sometimes, I mean, let's assume that you want to edit a video that is not today's video, you know what I mean, maybe you want to edit a video this 3 days ago. I mean, good luck you remembering what happened 3 days ago, you know what I mean, so that's going to be a little bit complicated, and in the past, I mean, all the good streamers, they have editors. I'm pretty sure you heard about that. I mean, my editor is doing this, my editor is doing that, and that's the reason why, I mean, because, I mean, imagine that then you stream, I mean, for 3-4 hours, and then you have to edit 4 hours of video. I mean, Jesus. I mean, that's so basically, I mean, they send their streams to editors that they specialize in that, and they cut the stream at yada yada, no? Yeah, exactly. I don't have one, so I have to do everything myself, exactly. I don't have one, so I have to do everything myself, and so what I want to do is that I want that at least, I mean, you know what I mean, since, I mean, a transcript, I mean, what happened in the stream can be downloaded as a transcript, a text file. Yeah, I mean, you know, when you, in YouTube, you put the subtitles, auto-generated subtitles. I mean, you can do it during live streams, but once a stream is archived and it becomes a normal video, I mean, YouTube auto-generates captions. So you can then later download them as a text file. So the point is, I want to feed the text file to an LLM like Chappy. I give it to Chappy, and then Chappy, I mean, says, oh, you were talking about, you know, AI, then you made a song with your sister, then, I mean, you joke for 30 minutes about some stupid random shit that happened in chat, then you talk 20 minutes for cakes, you know what I mean, and then it tells me, okay, from minutes this and to minutes this you did this, and from minute this and minute this you did this, and then, you know what I mean, it's very easy for me because I know already, oh, right, I talk about this shit during the stream, you know what I mean? So maybe I just need from minute 20 to minute 40, you know what I mean? I can go into my editing tool. I don't have to watch 3 hours of video, you know what I mean? I just have to, I can even download the fucking 3 hours of video, but you know, I don't have to watch it. I just have to cut 20 minutes, and then I have to cut at 40 minutes, and then I have to work on a 20 minutes video, you know what I mean? It's different than working than a 3 hours video. Because you already have the 20 minutes you want, no? And then maybe, of course, you need to do some cuts, you need to do some edits and whatever, but it's smaller. It's smaller, and you don't have to watch the whole things to understand when was the interesting things happening, you know what I mean? So I want to try to see if it's possible to automate this, and this is one of the things I want to do. And then another thing I want to do is I want to automate, oh, just one moment, cause these things has finished rendering. Just one moment, cause I want to see this. Oh, look at this! Look at these 2 things ready at the same time. Look at this, how beautiful. Oh, very nice. that's cute, but I think this with the cake is better. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if I told you, I'm remaking the video welcome to my bakery. So I'm rendering a lot of scenes that I want to use for welcome to my bakery. Okay, let me grab the new one. And one moment. That should be 70, right? Let me check this. 70? Oh no, we didn't actually put 70 yet. So okay, I guess we need to upload this. 70. As one. Next one is 70. Open, and then I need the prompt. Just moment, and 70 good. And then yeah. I'm working on it. And then 71. Just one moment. The next was this. Let me grab the next one. 71. And we changed this. Yeah, but I have to render a lot of files then. And this thing takes a lot of time because this engine is very good, but it takes whoa, we scrolled too fast. It takes a lot of time, so because you can choose to pay and it's very fast, or you can do it for free, relatively free, for cheaper, but it takes a lot of time. So I prefer the cheaper version because I'm not in a hurry, but it requires a little bit more of my manual labor. I have automated this usually, and the AI is doing these things for me, but I'm now using Codex for other things, so I can keep the automation. Yeah, very good. And then we go here and we do next. Yeah, the little cakes, the moddings are killing the. Yeah, exactly this. Right. The killer, the small cakes, right? Yeah. Exactly. The new video is all it has all these new small cakes vibes that are alive, and yeah. It should be really good when it's done. I think I can show you some stuff probably. I think I can show you some of the stuff I've made so far. Just give me 1 minute, cause I think I need to. Just 1 minute. I need to open a different chat here. Runway. Okay, let me log in. And here into recent. So, yeah, maybe you can watch some of the stuff I've made so far, so you have a clue on it. And now I'm working on the chibi version, but I also need to do the non-chibi version. But they are going to be very cute. And there are all these talking cakes and things. Look at this, for instance. That's very nice too. For instance. Yeah, don't mind the music, because this is going to be cut, because it generates music by default, but I don't need it. So that's very nice. And or for instance, something like, there's a lot of good things here. A lot of good stuff that I want to put. With small animated cakes. It's very nice. Oh, look at this, for instance. That's also very nice. Yeah. So we're going to remake the full video for Welcome to My Bakery. We're going to remake it all, and it's going to be gorgeous. I mean, I'll tell you that it's going to be gorgeous, the new version. But yeah, it still needs time. I mean, it still needs time. I mean, I'm really trying to spend a lot of time and resources to make these things better. I mean, seriously. I'm trying to spend a lot of time into make things better. I want a good channel with good stuff that people can and say, wow, what the fuck is this? You know what I mean? Wow, that's some fucking good thing. But I guess it's, yeah, exactly. It took me 1 month to make the first one. Yeah, it took me 1 month to make the first one, and it sucked. I mean, if I watch it back right now, I mean, it sucks a lot. Cause I mean, especially if I compare to this new one, which is incredibly better. I mean, and this is only the chippy. I mean, that's only the chippy. That's only the chippy version. I mean, you know what I mean? That's only the chippy version. Yeah, I mean, look at the mini cakes. I mean, that they jump or whatever. I mean, oh, look at this, dude. Yeah, look at that. I mean, yeah. We are nailing it. I'll tell you that. We are nailing these things. We are nailing this. I'll tell you that. We are nailing this. Look at this, the giant cake. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. It's lovely. With the whisker, I mean, come on. Really, I can't wait to make this. I mean, when it will be done, it will be so fucking insane. I mean, and then we also, lyrics. You have been in the stream several times, but what is happening here? What do you mean, what is happening here? I mean, you probably haven't been here enough. Cause I mean, what do you mean, what is happening here? I'm showing you some footage that I will use to make my next music video. Cause you know, at the beginning of my stream, it always starts with my first single. The song which is the theme song of the channel, which is Welcome to My Bakery. But that video was made when I still suck at the AI lyrics, and so I'm remaking this better, and these are some scenes that I will use in the video. And I mean, it's not over yet. I mean, I'm still finishing it. But I was showing some of the stuff that will be in the video. I mean, I'm not sure I will use everything, but this is just, I mean, some of the stuff I've been prepared. I mean, I've been preparing for that. I mean, like this, you know, or this, you know, or this, for instance, I mean, or yeah, something like that. I mean, yeah, I mean, I've been working on a lot of things. I mean, yeah. So I'm sure when it will be done, it will be very good. So really, I was just showing a preview of some footage that I will use for remaking my original stream intro video. So yeah, and we were talking with Razormo about the fact that the first video took 1 month and to make, and yes, absolutely. I mean, this also is taking a lot. I mean, it's not easy. I mean, I will have to re-edit it. I mean, and do a lot of other things. I mean, it's not that. I mean, it's not so easy. I mean, to make this too, and not to mention all the time I have to spend in making the renders. I mean, for this, just cause all these renders, I mean, they take a lot of time. You know, they take a lot of time. It's not that it's just to make them. But yeah, when it will be ready, I mean, I'm pretty sure it will be a good video. It will be a good video, Radix. So, Wonder how normal Luna made will look as well, but don't spoil if you have sampled better way for the finished version. When I have some of the starting frames, they aren't turned into videos yet, but I can show you some of the frames. I mean, they aren't turned into video yet, but this I can tell you where the the starting frame. It should be where the frame starts when the first frame of the video. So if I can show some of this, I mean, it won't be a big spoiler because I don't even know if I will use all of them. So I mean, I'm just showing. I think I can show some. I mean, because I don't even know if I will use them also in this video and probably in other videos for sure. I mean, because I think some of them are very good, but I don't even know which one will be used in this video. Because I want to break a little bit more and then pick the best fix. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, there will be also normal Lula. And where it is here. I think it's May 27. Or yeah, probably May 27. No, actually not 28. May 28. Yes, May 28. Okay, so I can show you some. So okay. Yeah, I mean this. I mean, I'm just showing you some of the stuff. Let me show this. I mean, they aren't necessarily. I mean, all. I don't say I will go into use all, but I mean, I'm just showing some of the things. So you have a clue of what it will be. What it will be. I mean, like something like this. You know? It will be way more. Yeah. I mean, with the normal Lula. And there is in particular one image I love a lot. I think it's this one. Oh yes, it's this one. I mean, I really love this so much. I really love this one so much. It's just a close-up, but Jesus, it's very good. It's a very good close-up. Yeah, I really love this one. That's I really like this, and there are many. I mean, many. Let me see if I find something. Yeah, you saw that. Yeah, that's quite good. I mean, oh, for instance, look at this. I mean, this also is very nice. I mean, I think we can do a lot of silly things with this. We can do a lot of silly things with this. I mean, I just need to, yeah. I just need to render everything, you know? Look at the face of the cakes here. I mean, look at the face. Cake screaming, exactly. Cake screaming. I mean, look at this. Look at the cakes there. I mean, yeah. Cake screaming, exactly. I mean, it took me a little bit to nail down the style for the bakery. I mean, cause it took me a little bit to nail down the style for the bakery. Yeah. Cause I really wanted this sort of magical bakery with talking cakes and such. And yeah, it took me a little bit to do it. So lyrics, yeah, does that answer your question, lyrics? Cause you came up surprised seeing that videos. Does that answer your question? We're making footage for a video. Yes, that is a remake of Welcome to McBakery. Yes. So nice. Yes, and in fact, I mean, I'm really curious because I want to play with these things. I want to start editing them. But, I mean, I still need to finish the batch. I mean, there's so many videos left. I mean, I think there are at least 200 clips left to render. And probably at this pace, it's going to take just 1 week just to render all the remaining 200 clips. I mean, it's probably going to take a while. And so, yeah, I guess. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit. Yes. But hopefully it will be better. I hope so. I hope so. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot, you know. I really. But aren't these ovens in the black roulette like blacksmith ovens? Well, yeah. I guess I will do the oven better. I agree. I guess I will do the oven better. You're probably right. We could do the ovens better. I agree. We could do the ovens better. Actually, I mean, if you ever been to Italy, I mean, these are pizza ovens. I mean, I understand that if you've never seen a real pizza oven, these could look like blacksmith ovens, but these are a little bit like pizza ovens. So it was more an homage to Italy, but yeah, I guess this can be misunderstood for blacksmith ovens, but these are actually, I mean, a little bit like pizza ovens. But yeah, I guess this can be better. I mean, honestly, I mean, to be honest, I think the overlay I have for now it's decent enough. I'll probably update it eventually for sure, but I think this can last few weeks for sure. Till I finish more important stuff like transcript video. The transcript videos, so yeah, Binades only when it didn't see any oven, an oven sadly. Oh, you came to Naples but you didn't eat pizza? Oh, wow. Or did you eat pizza but you didn't see the oven? Because I mean, if you came to Naples but you didn't eat pizza, I mean, you should go back on a plane and go to Naples and eat pizza there. They do some amazing pizza there. Yeah, so anyway. Yeah, I mean, I feel a little bit tired. I want to stream more and work more, but I think my brain power is off. I don't think I have more brain power. No, probably not. Probably no more brain power. And I don't know, I mean, I want to do a little bit of introspection here. Yeah. There was, yeah. Yeah, I need to rest a little bit. I still take a lot of stuff. Way too much. Saigon! The oven is okay. I didn't see one with double entrance. Yeah. It has a double. It just has a double entrance, but the oven is okay. Okay, Saigon. Okay. Good. Defending my oven. Look at this. Defending my oven like a pro. Very good. Defending my oven like a pro. Nice. Very good. Wow. Yeah, it's a double oven, I guess. Yeah, maybe you can make this a normal oven, a single oven. Probably, I guess. We could make it a single oven. Probably, yeah. Maybe we could edit this into a single. I guess. But yeah, we have oven defenders. I mean, you are now Saigon officially promoted to the Knight of the Oven. Sir Saigon, Knight of the Oven. Yeah, you're officially now a Knight of the Oven. I mean, I think that this title suits you very well. The Knight of the Oven. Or maybe we can make a song about the Knight of the Oven. Oh, very good. I think we can close the stream with the Knight of the Oven song. I think that would be a good way to close the stream, right? We make a song about the Knight of the Oven. I mean, oh yes, and it became Sir Psychon, Knight of the Oven. Oh, okay, that could be a nice idea. We make a song about the Knight of the Oven. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yes. Could be though some intense damage. I mean, emotional damage. I mean, here it can go into some crazy madness, but I think it could be worth it, right? So we need to cook a song. So there was Luna's thrilling, and she has an overlay of the bakery. And the bakery, there is this double oven, an oven with two entrances. And then one viewer started saying this oven seems like a blacksmith oven. And then Luna said, well, actually, I was getting inspired by Italian pizza ovens, because I mean, Luna, Italian's origin. And then another viewer said, no, the oven is fine, but I've never seen an oven with two entrances. And so Luna decided to promote these viewers as Sir Saigon, Knight and Guard of the Oven. And so I think we should make this really comical and funny. And then I think that this should be the premise, so that and probably the chorus should be about Syrup Saigon, Knight and Guard of the Oven. But after the premise, I mean, I think the story should develop with Luna and her knight going on a quest to defend the Holy Oven. And we should make really stupid thing. You know what I mean? So it starts with this stupid intro about the discussion of the live bakery oven, and then it evolves into someone defending the oven that gets promoted into a knight and guard of the oven, and then Luna and her knight going on a quest to retrieve the Holy Grail. Oh, maybe you can do the Holy Grail of the oven, something like that. You know, something like that, right? And and the viewer refers to Luna as Your Excellency. Okay, so that should be the cherry on the top of the cake. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT says this. Thank you, Your Excellency, for your generous title. I mean, it's something. Being the Holy Guard, the Holy Guardian Knight of the Oven. It's quite an honor. You're going to be the villain. Yes, Razumar, you're going to be the villain here. Obviously, you're going to be the villain. You are going to be the villain. Absolutely, you're going to be the villain. I really want to nail the style of the song good though. I don't know exactly which kind of style we probably need. Okay, ChatGPT is suggesting a Dempa style for this, so I guess Syrup Saigon. Okay, look at this. Your Excellency, the oven is holy. Oh my goodness, what am I reading? What am I reading? What am I reading? What am I reading? He answers the call with a pizza shield. Oh my goodness, a pizza shield? Jesus, what have I turned you into? Your shield is a giant pizza. Jesus, your shield is a giant pizza. Saigon, look at what just happened. Look at what just happened there. The pizza shield, seriously? Seriously, the pizza shield? Are we here? And by the way, what's the suggested title for this? Just for no Syrup Saigon, Knight and Guard of the Oven. Oh, I like the title. Absolutely. Absolutely, this has to be the title. It has to be the title. We will distort a little bit your name here, but yes, it's okay. And Now let's try this. I mean, I think it's going to be beautiful. This. I mean, this is going to be a beautiful disaster. But one of the good one, you know. Cirque Saigon Knight and Guard of the Oven. I already see the epic melody coming here. So let's then I'll listen to this as soon as this finishes. We can start. Oh, I guess it's ready. Let's listen to this.
Chat, listen. It is not a blacksmith oven. It is inspired by Italian pizza ovens. Because Luna is Italia origin, okay? Your Excellency, I have never seen an oven with 2 entrances. In the live bakery overlay light, 2 oven doors were glowing bright. One said forge, one said pizza. Luna said no, wait, Mamma Mia. Chat was typing with suspicious eyes. Why does the bread need 2 ways inside? Luna stood with royal dignity and burned the room academically. Tomate, this is cuisine, not a weapon-making machine, but one brave soul said it is fine. Then drew a sword beside the sign. Kneel by the counter, swear by the crust, guard every entrance, protect every dust, raise up the peel, shine up the tray. The holy oven needs guarding today. Serve Sikon, knight and guard of the oven. Serve Sikon, by the double door chosen. Your Excellency, he answers the call with the pizza shield and no plan at all. Serve Sikon, keep the blacksmiths away. Serve Sikon, make the heretics pay for the sacred flame, for the dough rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride oven, double door devotion. Oven, pizza powered motion. Hi, mamote, your Excellency. The oven is holy.
Oh my goodness, the oven is holy.
Luna
Okay.
drew a map on a napkin square. First we go to the kingdom of air, past the valley of burnt baguette, where the smoke alarm has not forgiven us yet. Serpsicum bowed with oven pride. Your Excellency, I shall rise. His armor was foil, his helmet a bowl, his horse was a mixer that lost control. They searched for the grail in a flowery cave. One croissant wizard refused to behave. Answer my riddle or lose your bread. Luna said chat is sponsored instead. Through molten mozzarella, through pepperoni rain, through one tiny viewer still asking again. Why 2 entrances? Serpsicum cried. Because one is for pizza and one is for pride. Serpsicum, knight and guard of the oven. Serpsicum, by the double door chosen. Your Excellency, he answers the call with the pizza shield and no plan at all. Serpsicum, keep the blacksmiths away. Serpsicum, make the heretics pay for the sacred flame, for the dough rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride. At the end of the quest, on a marble plate, the grail was waiting beside order 8. Luna lifted it up and the bakery froze. It was not a cup, it was tomato sauce. Nande, why is the holy relic marinara?
No, okay. I like it a lot, but I want to relate the lyrics. So first of all, the tags on the lyrics with the mock sacred choir, you know what I mean? It's perfect. The tags on the lyrics is perfect. So, but I want you to edit all the references to pizza and marinara and such. I mean, it's a bakery. I mean, you have your files with the live bakery and etc. I mean, even if it started with, I mean, this looks like a pizza oven. I mean, it has to be a bakery oven. You know what I mean? At the end. So I really don't want you to change the tags of that you made into the lyrics because they are perfect. But you need to edit the lyrics because there has to be cakes references here. I mean, I guess I sort of like the pizza shield, you know what I mean? But I mean there is, I mean, why the holy grail is marinara and such. I mean, it has to be references to the bakery, you know, bakery and cakes. I mean, You overtake the pizza from too strong, cause that was just the beginning of the things, but it has to deviate, and I mean at the end of the day it is a bakery oven for the light bakery and cakes, cakes. We do cakes here, not pizza. Okay? Yeah, I need the lyrics to be a little bit more. I mean I love a lot how it came, but I mean it degenerates a little bit too much off the pizza thing. This week we sell cakes here. I mean, we don't sell pizza. I mean, we sell cakes, We sell cakes, so... We sell cakes, so... I also asked this motherfucker not to change the tags for the lyrics, but it did. It did. Maxwell silly medieval EDM. I mean... Oh, okay, actually he kept them. It looks like he kept them. Moxector, okay, if it looks like he kept them. Okay, so I guess we just need to change the lyrics here. We just need to change the lyrics. It should work. So let's try the version 2. Hopefully it's good enough, but hopefully it's good enough, but I really could understand the two excessive pizza references there. But we are on a good way. So let's do this. So.
Chat, listen. It is not a blacksmith oven. It was inspired by Italian pizza ovens. But this is the live bakery. We do cakes here, okay? Your Excellency, I have never seen an oven with 2 entrances. In the live bakery of LA light, 2 oven doors were glowing bright. One said forge, one said danger. Luna said no, cake chamber. Chat was typing with suspicious eyes. Why does the cake need 2 ways inside? Luna stood with royal dignity and burned the room academically. Chotomate, this is cuisine, not a weapon making machine. But one brave soul said it is fine, then drew a sword beside a side. Kneel by the counter, swear by the crust, guard every entrance, protect every dust. Raise up the whisk, shine up the tray. The holy oven needs guarding today. Serve steak on night and guard of the oven. Serve steak on by the double door chosen. Your Excellency, he answers the call with the cake pop shield and no plan at all. Serve steak on, keep the blacksmiths away. Serve steak on, make the doubters all pray for the sacred flame, for the cake rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride. Oven, double door devotion. Oven, cake powered motion. Hi, mamote, your Excellency, the oven is holy.
Oh, that's nice too. That's very nice too. There is also another generation. We managed to do the others.
Map on a napkin square. First we go to the kingdom of Eclair, past the valley of burnt sulfur, where the smoke alarm still screams her name. Cersei bowed with oven pride. Your Excellency, I shall ride. His armor was foil, his helmet a bowl, his horse was a mixer that lost control. They searched for the grail in a flowery cave. One cupcake wizard refused to behave. Answer my riddle or lose your bread. Luna said, chat, is this canon instead? Through rivers of frosting, through buttercream rain, through one tiny viewer still asking again. Why 2 entrances? Cersei cried. Because one is for cake and one is for pie. Cersei night and guard of the oven. Cersei by the double door chosen. Your Excellency, he answers the call with a cake pop shield and no plan at all. Cersei keep the blacksmiths away. Cersei make the doubters all pray for the sacred flame, for the cake rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride. At the end of the quest, on a silver plate, the grail was waiting. lifted it up and the bakery froze. It was not a cup, it was whipped cream rose. Nande? Nande? Why is the holy relic busting? Your Excellency, does the Grail also have two entrances?
Oh my goodness.
Light and guard of the oven. By the double door chosen. Your Excellency. He answers the call with a cake pop shield and no plan at all. Stand by Luna today. Let the doubters all pray for the sacred flame, for the cake rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride. The oven is fine. The night is employed. The grail is frosting. Live bakery lore is protected.
Oh, that's way better. That was better. I love the syrup second with the choice. Let's listen to the other variant. Let's listen to the other variant. I guess the other variant is good too. Just, but I think this one was good enough. Let's listen to the other, but okay.
Chat, listen. It is not a blacksmith oven. It was inspired by Italian pizza ovens. But this is the live bakery. We do cakes here, okay? Your Excellency, I have never seen an oven with two entrances.
Oh, this is more, a little bit more. Okay, let's
In the
listen.
live bakery overlay light, two oven doors were glowing bright. One said forge, one said danger. Luna said no cake chamber. Chef was typing with suspicious eyes. Why does the cake need two ways inside? Luna stood with royal dignity and burned the room academically. Chateau Mate, this is cuisine, not a weapon making machine. But one brave soul said it is fine, then drew a sword beside a sign. Kneel by the counter, swear by the crust. Guard every entrance, protect every dust. Raise up the whisk, shine up the tray. The holy oven needs guarding today. Knights and guard of the oven. By the double door chosen. Your Excellency. He answers the call with the cake pop shield and no plan at all. Keep the blacksmiths away. Make the doubters all pray for the sacred flame, for the cake rising high, holy grail of the oven. Tonight we ride. Oven, double door devotion. Oven, cake powered motion. Hi, mamotte. Your Excellency, the oven is holy. Luna drew a map on a napkin square. First we go to the kingdom of Eclair. Past the valley of burnt souffle, where the smoke alarm still screams her name. Circicon bowed with oven pride. Your Excellency, I shall ride. His armor was foil, his helmet's a bow. His horse was a mixer that lost control. They searched for the grail in a flurry cave. One cupcake wizard refused to behave. Answer my riddle or lose your bread. Luna said, chat, is this canon instead? Through rivers of frosting, through buttercream rain, through one tiny viewer, still asking again. Why two entrances? Circicon cried. Because one is for cake and one is for pride. Knights and guard of the oven.
Jesus, this is legendary. You are right, Reds or Moose. The coins when it says Serpsigon, it's so fucking satisfactory. You mean that Serpsigon? Jesus, Serpsigon, Serpsigon, you got, that's, what could you possibly ask more in life? Think about it, how many people get promoted tonight nowadays? Think about it, how many people get the honor to become sir? Protectors of the holy ovens. This is a celebration moment here. Saigon, that's absolutely a celebration moment there. That's absolutely a celebration moment there. 100%. So, lyrics and prompt are perfect. The spell of Saigon is actually... Yeah, you got to go. Yeah, we also ending Saigon. See you next time. Okay, see you next time. See you next time, and thank you very much. Thank you very much. Absolutely, thank you very much. Yes. Thank you very much. So it's P5 Ycon. Okay. Perfect. 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 We got this. We got this. Serp Psycho. Knight and Guard of the Oven. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Saigon, see you next time. And I guess we can close this stream here. Yes, we can close the stream here. Very good. Very good, very good. Inheritance, only the most important ones. Exactly. In England, only the most important one. And in the Light Bakery, anyone who defends the oven gets promoted to Lord. And you? Razormo, you are a villain. 'Cause you dared to question the double entrance of the holy oven, and you are an heretic. So, yeah, that's what's happening. You are an heretic here, 'cause you discontinued the sacred double oven entrance thingy there. You questioned it. You misunderstood this as a blacksmith oven. So, a real heretic here. We bake cakes here. Razormo, and you should have known this very well. But anyway, I guess that's all for today. I have to think a lot of stuff. I have to think a lot of stuff about the meaning of life. The meaning of life, absolutely. Yes, I have to think a lot about the meaning of life. So yeah, I need some time for myself. And maybe take a long bath and rest a little bit, cause it was a very long day. So double stream and a lot of progress and songs and stuff. So yeah, absolutely need a rest. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Probably during the weekend only stream the morning, cause yeah, I have stuff to do. But see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. バイバイ。今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。